Hey there, Shalligators. You know what I want to talk about today? The same thing I want to talk about every goddamn day. Sex, kissing, boys, blowjobs, all these things, intimacy and sex. Is this not what is on our minds 24/7? Boys and hooking up? Studies show that we actually think about sex like 5,000 times a day, and for dudes, it's like 560 million times a day. But are we good at it? Do we know what we're doing? I do. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've done my fair share of market research, shall we say, when it comes to boys and hooking up, and I routinely get told that I am the best sex a guy has had. And so I am passing on this information to you. I partnered up with Moment House, who does events with Justin Bieber, Halsey, Black Bear, all from the comfort of your own home that you can watch it, to do a 4-part month-long series called Alpha Academy, The Sexy Sessions. So each week, this is how it's gonna work. Each Thursday, I'm gonna do a live broadcast for you guys. So you can be in your pajamas, you can be hooking up while you're watching it. I mean, learn in real time, why not? And we're gonna go around the bases. We're gonna start with kissing. Week 2 is hand stuff, like hand jobs and things like that. Week 3 is blow jobs, and week 4 is gonna be sex. I'm gonna teach you how to be on top. I'm gonna tell you what to do, like literally how to have sex. So look, if you're a beginner and maybe you haven't even been kissed yet, I'm gonna give you a good foundation. And if you are maybe a little bit further along in your sexual journey, we're gonna talk about some tips and tricks that maybe you don't know, even things that are kind of basic that you might not be doing that can really elevate a hookup from like good to great, because I know you're already good. I know you're already good. And this is the best part. I'm going to be answering your questions live. So when you sign up for tickets, you can leave in the chat feature right there on the event homepage any sort of hookup questions or quandaries you might have, and I'll be answering them during each broadcast. And if you have questions that pop up during the broadcast, join me for the live after party called Pillow Talk, where I'm answering all those questions that come up in real time so that we can, really put our hookup skills into hyperspeed. But if you happen to be busy when the broadcasts are going on, that's totally fine. You have a week to watch them. They're gonna live on the website there, so no worries about that. And then we're gonna move on to the next topic. So you can watch at your leisure, you can go back, you can watch it a bunch of times, you can, bring your friends over. So it's gonna be so much fun. And the best part is, it is literally $5. $5. Today, 24 hours only, where you can take advantage of early bird pricing. Tickets are just $5, then they go up to 10. Still, hey, $10 to get really good at kissing, not too bad. So I'm so excited for you guys to join me. This is such an easy way, like I said, to get your hookup skills into hyperdrive, get some questions answered, figure out what to do with a bad hookup. Like, how do you correct a bad kisser? I can tell you. What do you do if you really just do not like blowjobs, but the guy you're dating really does? Is there like a way to kind of fake a blowjob? Yeah, there is. I'm gonna tell you sex positions that are comfortable, ones that might be painful if he has a really big dick, what to do if he has a small one, how to make sex good that way. Girl, I got you covered. So go ahead and click the link down in the description and join me at momenthouse.com/Shallon Lester. And like I said, today tickets are $5. What you waiting for, girl? It's hoe season. Come on.